First, the top stories. AKRSU ban affects normal life in Assam. Second Manipur Startup Conclave 2019 held at City Convention Centre, Imphal. And standoff over land dispute persists at Makhan Kulen. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is SURAJ giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Life in Assam has been brought to a screeching halt due to a ban called by All Kuch Rajbangshi Students Union AKRSU. The 12-hour ban is in demand of unconditional inclusion of omitted Kuch Rajbangshis omitted from the NRC as well as the demand for Kamatapur. AKRSU members spilled onto the streets to ensure that the ban call from 5 a.m. on Friday onwards is observed by the people. Moreover, supporters of the organization also burned effigies of the NRC coordinator Pratik Hazela for the exclusion of the Kuch Rajbangshis community from the NRC. The protesters further chanted many slogans against Hazela and the ruling BJP party during the early morning demonstration. The Manipur Planning Department has organized the second Manipur Startup Conclave 2019 at the City Convention Centre, Imphal today. The conclave aims at strengthening the startup initiative in the state by fostering greater social acceptance and recognition of the promising startups through strategic investment, policy interventions and such other programs. Manipur Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren attended the event. During the program, loans sanctioned by State Bank of Baroda and State Bank of India were provided to 38 entrepreneurs. The loans were provided under support scheme and revenue to support and strengthen their business incubators and accelerators of the state. As part of the conclave, My Government Manipur project, a project under the Department of Information Technology, was also launched to strengthen the relation between the entrepreneurs and state government. The Chief Minister Biren at the event said that the conclave has provided tremendous growth for the entrepreneurs in the state. The Chief Minister also expressed contentment over the state government's contributions towards the conclave for the growth of state economy. He also said that the state government will make the best efforts in providing rupees 30 crore investment for the startups meant for the growth of entrepreneurs.
Seva Saptaina. Magi one day khak birthday pangthokgi mahutta akoi enjoy tobgi mahutta dance tobgi mahutta man hapta ama matam lor kanda seva toba later lairaga blood pidana awana singi orphan singda karida yen thoktana anabagi layeng batam tawrise sense makap human touch human service is more important masidai the place system is koi chalor kanda lairiba agricultural land je kalhodra diba ekoi pharak tani Lamju loina labuk mayam se loina encroach roga labuk mayam se labuk de shalatre phaugi production se koi sahi kudingi handara ineba phau single later di masana tangak puta bani aduna aikoi agricultural land kan badakar le thabak phangdabugi awaba le ribasing entrepreneurship amamna mi tara thabak pirambadu mini phu ai hang prangamba mini phu pirambadu sa amade hang prangamba adumai torokanda Manipur se afaba khunai ama wehennaba
Over the Makhan Kulen arson attack that took place on the wee hours of September 17, the Manipur government has assured the locals to nab the culprits within 72 hours. As per reports, a public meeting attended by MLA Kaisi was held at Makhan village to discuss the prevailing situation. Over 10 houses were torched by miscreants at Makhan Kulen of Senapati district, reportedly over a land dispute. It is learned that the residents are all set to launch a series of agitations if the authority fails to book all individuals involved in the arson attack. The standoff between two communities over the land dispute is still persisting, sources inform. Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights along with Social Youth Progressive Organization in collaboration with Youth Action Committee for Protection of Indigenous People, Young People for Social Reform and Khangabok Development and Students Union observed the Global Week for Future 2019 beginning today. A mass rally was kicked off from Thao Ground, Imphal, and later a public meeting was also held at lamjingbatomtv in Palace Compound to mark the occasion. The Reinventing Art group, in connection with the problem of global climate change, organizers sit-in protest at Laisem Lon Marup Community Hall, Singjamai Chingamakha today. Placards that read, "Declare climate emergency, no life, no earth" were held by the demonstrator during the protest. Volunteers of various organizations attended the protest. Member of Reinventing Art group Ishika RK said that the protest was held with an aim to make an impact ahead of the UN summit to be held from September 20th till 23rd. She also urged the government to take up strict action plans and policy to help curb the climate change, apart from planting more saplings.
अखोगी मणिपुरदा होजिक रिसाइकल प्लांट अमता लेते अदुना रिसाइकल प्लांट हेना हेंगहनबियु अदुगा अकनबा क्लाइमेट चेंज की मरी लेनाबा लो इंपोज तोबियु हाइना हाइजागे.
A two-day research policy workshop on climate change perspective in Manipur concluded today at the Sangai Hall of Hotel Imphal, North AOC. The workshop was organized under the aegis of Director of Environment and Climate Change, Manipur, in association with Central Agricultural University, KAU, and National Institute of Technology, NIT, Manipur. Directorate of Environment and Climate Change Director Y. Navachandra talked about the serious impact of climate change on mankind and underlined the need to keep a check on climate change.
Climate science da karida ahongba keno myam sing theng ngasagi ka hana du sijalu da kangbu da di unknowingly wa ba di loi wa min ari ni theng ri ni hoji hoji nong chu bagi rainfall pattern da Manipur da hoji kang ga toktana si nong chu da lo pan ba yadriba. This is also one of the impact of the climate change and si adu gi pot ngak ta loi na oi doi ni aduna climate change yam important orakpa aduna siumaina torokma tamda ngasagi disaster risk reduction ga nan laiba vulnerability the assessment guy na hadi Tamenglong da nong suroi adagi khwai dagi impact lai doi se senapati laini kano laini guy na Chandel laini guy na kano tor je past 70-80 years ki akogi record mayam singsi low inter analysis torga prediction 2080 about id short term mid term long term aina koi predict tawdoi ni loina mak.
Well, it's time now for a short commercial break, but coming up, ex-servicemen rally held at Kuman Lampak. Stay tuned.
Mega Monsoon Offer. Be a lifetime subscriber of lamjingbatomtv daily newspaper at Rs 10,000 only. For more details, please come and visit our lamjingbatomtv office at Uripok Laikurembi Laikai, Imphal West, or contact us at 8837 353352 or 9402 991 938.
Welcome back after the break. Assam Rifles Headquarter IGR South organized a mega Assam Rifles ex-servicemen rally on the theme "We Connect, We Care" today at the indoor hall of Bal Bhavan located at Kuman Lampak Sports Complex, Imphal. Over 1,000 ex-servicemen from every district of Manipur, World War II veterans, Veer Naris, widows and their dependents attended the rally. Addressing the event as chief guest, Deputy General of Assam Rifles, Lieutenant General Sukhdeep Sangwan said that the main objective of conducting such rally is to connect with the Assam Rifles veterans and building a stronger bond with them. He also highlighted on contributions and achievements of Assam Rifles.
अप्रैल को पिछले साल जो रैली हुई थी उसमें आपके 207 ग्रीवेंसेस आपने लिखवाए थे और मुझे खुशी है ये बताते हुए कि ITR साउथ ने वो पूरे 207 ग्रीवेंसेस रिड्रेस किए, आपकी सारी प्रॉब्लम दूर किया है और जो DCO यहाँ पे आए हैं उनसे आप डिटेल ले सकते हैं। अगर किसी को अभी भी कोई अपना डिवाइस पूरा नहीं हुआ है उसको चेक कर सकते हैं। 9 फैमिली पेंशन केसेस हमने रिवाइव किए।
A medical camp was also conducted for the ex-servicemen, and medical aids like wheelchairs, glasses, walking sticks and hearing aids were distributed to the participants. Another highlight of the event was felicitation of Veer Naris and distribution of pension payment order to 8 dependents of ex-servicemen and scholarships to 8 students. Deputy Inspector General of Assam Rifles, Brigadier D.S. Sishodia, DIG 9th Sector Brigadier Amit Kapthial and other high-ranking officials of Assam Rifles were also present during the event. All the 1,600 plus education employees of Churachandpur and Fairjal district, including the SSA and Ramsa under the Manipur government, have condemned the revision of ROP affected by the state government recently. Secretary of Churachandpur and Fairjal district Education Employment Union, Nekhohau Hokib, informed this to media at Journal Education Office, Churachandpur. The move is a clear sign that the state government does not consider education as important sector. He further added that their pay as per the revision is not on par with the amount given under the 6th Pay Commission. Nekhohau informed that all the government teachers will organize a meeting at Young Paite Association YPA Hall on September 24th, and a rally will be taken out and submit a memorandum to the Deputy Commissioner. He further pledged they will not sit back till demands are met by the government.
From the teaching community of the state. In every ROP, we come to witness that without agitation and without a pressure from the employees, the pay anomaly has not been rectified. So we want to say that the government always invites this agitation in every ROPs. What is the reason behind this? And then we the employees want to make the ROP with center in toto. But even then, we understand the state resources, that the state may not be able to afford it. Even if it is not in toto, let there be at least some enhancement in the pay anomaly instead of downgrading.
A public meeting was held to find ways to keep a check on substance abuse and selling of drugs in Sora area of Kakching at the Sora Community Hall of Kakching district. The meet was organized by Jila Parishad members, Pradhan and members of Gram Panchayat of Palel and Irengban in collaboration with Kakching Police. It was participated by Upadhyakshya of Kakching Jila Parishad, Mohammad Nazimuddin, and Superintendent of Police Kakching, Yengkhom Victoria. A committee was formed during the meeting with an aim to eradicate drug menace in the region. In this regard, SP Victoria Yengkhom said that the police have been fighting against drug and its menace in the state under the initiative of Minister N. Biren, whose government has launched a mission called War Against Drugs. She also urged the general public to extend support for making the mission a success.
Yamna well disciplined, well educated ko. Mayama mana maximum oira bane hojiti. And police constable legi oigera, and to the higher rank singse yamna aware oira ba, sensitive oira ba group ama oire. Aduna akoi drug drive se mama ngai gi mong gi natabida hojiti yamna phasaba mong na changmina ba yayin khali.
A 3-day training program on developing PACS into Multipurpose Societies Institute of Cooperative Management ICM Imphal under the sponsorship of NABARD RO Manipur concluded at the conference hall of ICM Imphal. H. Chauba Singh, Director of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Service Manipur, detailed about the benefits of the training program. He added that people should take advantage of government schemes meant for farmers and animal husbandry. The training program was also attended by Director of ICM Imphal Dr. N. Ranjana Devi and Deputy General Manager of Manipur State Cooperative Bank L. Angoba Singh.
sai kau le being sing le bire kasu kau di lapiu kau di pabrik di lapiu join that planning and nama kau di nolai besar itu yang apa kami mah udah terus ayu udah kasu kasu kai di sang betul masih dah masih skema ni semua usul beda running mana kau lagi.
A one-stop center was inaugurated today at the Jila Parishad block of Jiribam DC office complex. The center was opened under the aegis of District Administration Jiribam. Today's inaugural function was attended by Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, K. Sarat Kumar Singh, Deputy Commissioner of Jiribam District, Mayang Lambam Raj Kumar, Superintendent of Police Jiribam, M. Movie Singh, Chief Medical Officer of Jiribam, E. Okendro Singh, and Jiribam ADC N. Bankim. Talking on the sidelines of the event, K. Sarat Kumar underlined the importance of one-stop center in Jiribam district as it will help keep a check on women-related crime and violence.
One-stop center asina madugi lepna nabagi hakawsu pothare haraga akhoi second thought haibu.
On the other hand, Mayang Lambam Raj Kumar said that one-stop center opened in Jiribam is the 5th one in Manipur. He added that the center has been opened under the sponsorship of central government.
Center administrator she would support talking about case worker legani. Case worker she 24 hours pung kunmari ki service piga daba tu kum laba manpower ama hoige da bani madana case workers isu kai multiple numbers lakani at least yam dravida ani.
Organization for Women Against Crime paid floral tribute to the women who were brutally killed during 2009 till 2019. The function was held on the theme Langban Tha at GM Hall, Imphal. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit attended the event. Biswajit was displeased with the perception that the government is doing nothing to sort out key issues facing the state. He said such observation hurts the relationship between the government and the public.
Adubu sarkar ke lariba ain ge thongda lakko matam da mioi base ain da changakpa mi natra ain amana hek case law khibu matam da akhona ma bu hekta halu yadaba pharsi torbu yadaba maduda pe da bagi kholaw lakko dune ba adu ko sarkar da toina kamai torge hena phagani haiba adu ga khona pining ba pharsi to ba hat pa to pa haibu de ain ge thongda yaw da banina adu thagalak leba case to gi ma ge degree gi matung ina yenga kan da ma je chahi manga chahi tara punsi chupagi phadok pi ba haibu se leibanina masi kitang akoi lariba NGO gi lariba puna maksing je Manipur da re pusungsna akoi gyan tamina bom changi.
A housewife allegedly committed suicide by hanging herself. A report said today the deceased has been identified as 45-year-old Haigruzam Ongbi Sanatombi Devi, age 45 years, wife of Samananda Singh of Langthabal Kunjamaya in Imphal West. She was rushed to Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS Lamphel Imphal this morning, where she was declared dead, said the report. According to her family, Sanatombi was a psychiatric patient who was undergoing medical treatment. Let's take another short commercial break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
Canback Industries की Thamabandian College Western Gate की मायूक नवद लेवा Can Enterprises Showroom की opening ceremony लागलेब September कुमाथोई लिसिंगनी तराग मापन्ना पांथुक चरगनी opening ceremony ऐसी का मरी लेना ना Canback photo contest हम सुख थमजरी contest ऐसी आहान ममना लुपा लिसिंग तरा अनी सुमना लुपा लिसिंग मंगा अदुग अहम सुमना ना लुपा लिसिंग अहम थमजरी सरुग याबेनिंग बसिंगना हाइडबन नुमेनेसी की पुंग मापन फावदा लेथो पिरगलगा Canback Industries की Canback अममम पायरगा photo section अमा पांथुक चरगनी हाइरिबा फोटो सी Canback Industries की Facebook page ता upload तवरगा like मसिंग ख्वाइदगी याम्बा contestant दा मना सी पिजगनी
Maitei Singi Puariga Sagonaduna Laklaba, Mafam Ama Oiriba, Sagolban Tangapat Lairiba, the Tangapat Restaurant and Departmental Store, Naihak Awa Potafam Ama Oibata Natana, Restaurant Manung the Yaujariba, inbuilt departmental store da, Adomgi household items sing soup Hambiragani. Veg amadi non-veg ki menu items sing na adom gi taste bud to satisfy oihaliba menu items sing enjoy to biyo. Amadi Tangapat ki view enjoy to biyo. Langston Biraksi, the Tangapat Restaurant and Departmental Store.
Coil Green, India's #1 genset brand by Kirloskar Efficiency Integrated, is now in Imphal. Generator range 2.4 kVA to 1010 kVS DG set. Automobile engineering works at New Chakon Road, Imphal East, MI Store Building, 1st floor. Contact us at 9862 566601 or 038524520011. Authorized dealer, Kirloskar Gensets.
What's up, rock and rollers? Girish here from Girish and the Chronicles.
Hi guys.
We are postponed.
Hi everyone. We are Soleh sir.
Hi, we are Innocent Eyes.
Hi guys.
We're Angela.
I hope you're ready to get rocked on the 22nd of September because we are coming to Manipur. We're performing live at the Manipur Trade and Expo Center and it's gonna be amazing. Let's bang our heads. Let's have a great rocking time. Rock and roll.
Welcome back. As part of Swachhata Hi Seva campaign, put an end to use of plastic, a massive mobilization for plastic waste, Shramdan and banning of single-use plastics campaign was carried out today at Tairenpokpi village under Phayeng Gram Panchayat of Imphal West District. The campaign was conducted under the aegis of Phayeng Gram Panchayat, wherein Pradhan of Phayeng Gram Panchayat, Panchayat members and villagers were present. A mass rally conveying the message of "We want the system change, not climate change. There is no planet B." The rally was jointly organized by Youth Action Committee for Protection of Indigenous People YACPIP, Khangabok Development and Social Union, KDASU, Social Youth Progressive Organization SYPO, and Youth Peoples for Social Reform YPSR. Starting from Thau ground of Imphal West, the rally culminated at lamjingbatomtv of Palace Compound. Speaking to media, Secretary of Youth Forum for Protection of Human Rights T. Sasides Kanta Sharma stated that planting more trees by the government on the pretext of saving the environment will not make any difference in the global climate change. He also suggested that brick fields should opt for an alternative fuel and stop using firewoods. Further, Sadish Kanta urged for implementation of Manipur State Action Plan on Climate Change 2013. KSC Ranikvang won the 16th Chandam Inunganbi Memorial Mini Boys Under 13 Football League Tournament, which was held at the playground of Jiribam High Secondary School from August 30th last. In the final match played today, KCS Ranivang defeated PFC Faitol by 2-1, winning the trophy, while Kapmillan Singson of PFC Faitol won the Best Trophy Player. The tournament was organized by All Jiribam Sports Association AGSA. As part of the week-long Seva Saptaha observance, a one-day free medical camp was organized at Monglen Phai village in Singhat Assembly constituency of Churachandpur district yesterday. MLA of Singhat constituency, Gin Soundhao Jao, who is also the chairman of Manireda, attended the event as chief guest. Local MDC Khaipao Haukip and leaders of BJP Churachandpur district leaders also attended the program. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Gin Sao Hao Zhou said that the health camp was organized to mark Prime Minister Modi's 69th birth anniversary and expressed hope that patients get benefit from the free medical camp. He also thanked the Chief Medical Officer CMO of Churachandpur for bringing required medicines for all types of sicknesses. The MLA said all the primary health sub-centers, primary health centers and community health centers under the supervision of CMO Churachandpur are ready to render their service even to remote areas as health sector has been given top priority in the district. Later, the MLA gave away financial assistance to 7 senior citizens who turned up at the medical camp.
The school pakat hanse, Chief Minister N. Birenin, a police program ho hitunia he, hon, implement it now by agami kudaking aitai. House ho, I know le agam sungabai hon. But I implement it go to village actually be patchum home. Tamta to a he, Ores pension kai poi, I don't let Azoa he, Pukaipana say, I waited to a PMA away.
Speaking on the sidelines of the event, local MDC Kaipao said that the free medical camp was part of Seva Saptaha observance held throughout the country to mark Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 69th birthday. He further said the program was carried out in collaboration with the CMO of Churachandpur district, where medical assistance was provided to the people of all ages. Nagaland government has created a separate cell for minority affairs under the Planning and Co-Coordination Department to deal with minority issues of the state. The minority cell will look into the various schemes under the Ministry of Minority Affairs, Government of India that relate to the educational, economic, infrastructural and special needs of the minorities. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. AKRSU ban affects normal life in Assam. Second Manipur Startup Conclave 2019 held at City Convention Centre, Imphal. And standoff over land dispute persists at Makhan Khulen. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.